Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Visione in Crimson Desert. All right, let's begin. First, equip your lantern by holding the right bumper. Once the lantern is active, open your equipment menu and navigate to your armor section. Next, equip the helmet needed for Visione. Use the D-pad to access your gear, then select and equip the helmet. After equipping it, you will be able to detect nearby memories in the area. Now, search for a memory. These appear as interactive points in the environment. Approach one and begin learning it. Wait until the learning process is complete before moving forward. This step unlocks the memory for use. After learning the memory, open your menu again and select the memory you just acquired. Activate it, and this will allow you to enter and explore the memory, giving you access to new information or clues in the area. So that's basically how you can use Visione in Crimson Desert. That's it for this video. Thanks.